Hi guys, I'm Hallie. Welcome back to Ledger and Lace. Today I am going to do another flip through of a planner update. My last one was for One Book July, and this is what I was in. One Book July is sort of for me to try new methods and new sizes and that sort of thing. And this it was a little bulky, and it doesn't really sing autumn, so I wanted something more autumny. So I am going to set this aside, and we'll go back into my Frankenstein Franklin Covey that I de-ringed and turned into a traveler's notebook. This is my fake wax seal that has really done well. I've only had to reapply it once, which is good. And here we go. So I've got pockets here, old business card in there. I've got stamps here, and I have index cards back here for writing grocery lists and that sort of thing. And then I have a picture of my adorable nephew here. That's Rowan. I read somewhere statistically that if you lose your wallet or planner or whatever, if you have family photos in there, you are more likely to have it returned to you. And so, and plus, how adorable is he? Anyway, so there we go. I am back to using my little pocket calendar. I have sticky notes here, and then it ends this year. So then I have, because I'm already writing into the next year already, I have another 2-year calendar, and this I just got at the Dollar Tree. So I have a pencil so I can pencil you in and just secure it with a little bull clip there. So there's that. And then I have my dashboard on back here, so if I need to write little notes, and I have color coded, so green is anything fern related or Fernie's world. Blue is teachable, any teachable courses. This is home. And then gray is everything else. And same thing with the page flags. This is a notebook that I covered. Well, actually I removed the cover because originally it looked like this, and that's not the color theme I'm going with. So I took that cover off and made a removable sort of folder and did that. So, and that is a notebook that I'm keeping notes in for. I'm doing elder care, and so this is just helpful for me to jot down notes and that sort of thing. So that's what I did there. I just used some music paper, and then these are moths from my new Moth kit. And I'll have a link down below. I should do a video of that. But anyway, so these are, and then this is another image from that. And then this is my weekly schedule. So my schedule is sort of, I think in my last video, I was saying that my schedule had really changed and I needed to keep better track of my time and blah, blah, blah. But it's a little bit more regular now. So that is what I've done for my weekly. So I write time-based things here, and then anything I have to get done that day, I'll write here. If it is more involved, then I will get a separate piece of paper, or like I'll just write my daily schedule on here and then stick it onto my week, and then there you go. Bob's your uncle. Okay, this is another part of the kit, and I turned it into a pocket for the back. This is the end paper part from the kit, and then there's the back. I got an idea from Jibidneri. She said, and I just laughed because I thought, oh, of course she did this. And, but she said, there's not a lot of quotes about, and it's in her last video. Was it the woods or walking into, no, it wasn't the woods. I'll link it down below. And so I said, well, of course you wrote your own, you know, because she's so creative. And then I thought, wait a minute. Well, I am a writer, so I could write something about moths, because there's tons of quotes about butterflies, but not so much about moths. And you know, I'm very I'm into moths just because of Nathaniel Bagshot Ward and the whole fern world, and that is how he created his Wardian cases. And yeah, so I wrote some quotes, and so that's one of them there. And this is just blank paper for this insert, so I can write notes, and there's the back. And then this I did have in my One Book July notebook. And I just didn't want to transfer stuff into a smaller notebook because I have filled this with different things. And so here's some of the things. And then this was when I started writing my quotes for moths, and I was on my way to the post office, and the first sort of line came to me. And so I was just, scribbling down as fast as I could. So there's that. And here's the back. Here's some quotes. And then this is my paper pad with Nick the Booksmith images, Fernie images. I will link that down below because I did a video for that. I still have to do part 2 of the paper pads. I am so far behind with everything. But anyway, so then my regular pen is a Noodler's. And what I love about this is the ink capacity in there is fantastic. So this is a Noodler's pen that came free with my bottle of ink from Goulet Pens. I don't know if they still do this or not. And I think it's called a Charlie pen, I think. Anyway, so I'm not running out of ink anytime soon with this, and it writes really well, and it was free. And here's something fun that I didn't realize for your fidgetability. If you don't want this, which, I always do, because otherwise then it just rolls away. The pen rolls off. But, and now I can't get it back on. But anyway, if you watch Brian Goulet, he said he likes his pens for their fidgetability, like taking them apart and stuff. So this would be a fun thing. But apparently I can't talk and fix this at the same time. So I'm just going to leave it. All right. So that is my planner update. And tell me what you guys are doing for your plan. If you're a planner person or a journal person, I'm kind of both. And planning to me is really, I want a reliable pen, and I want to be able to write down things fast. And I'm sort of less reflective with my planning. And then I journal about planning. How's that? All right. We're going into way too much time for this, so I will see you all in the next video. Bye!